Welcome to DECNO. This is our office headquarters.
It covers over 2,000 square meters. It's not just the decision-making center of DECNO, but also the main hub for marketing, R&D, and customer service. At DECNO, we put our customers first. Everyone on our team is dedicated to living our mission, vision, and values to help customers around the world grow their business.
Now, please follow me to the office lobby.
Since it started in 2011, DECNO has quickly grown into one of the world's top manufacturers of flooring and wall panels after over 10 years of growth.
More and more customers are choosing DECNO because we've got strong support from our 6 strategy systems.
The 6 strategy systems gives our global partners the most complete and professional support. We have brought together the industry's top sales team, marketing team, and customer service team here. Our products are popular in over 80 countries, and we are a trusted supplier to more than 600 international building material brands.
Next, we will take a tour of DECNO support departments, each one playing a vital role in supporting companies' steady growth.
Domestic Business Center, Finance Department, Human Resources Department, and Administration Department.
At DECNO, we believe talents are the key to our success. Now we have 200 team members and counting.
They are the reason we keep moving forward, our greatest treasure.
Every effort deserves to be remembered. Here is DECNO Honor Wall. Star of Tomorrow, who devoted to the respect and joy. Star Achievements. Here we celebrate their growth and progress. Now follow me. This is our conference room. All major decisions and high-level meetings are held here. The conference room is also equipped with advanced multimedia and video systems to ensure that every communication is efficient and smooth. In addition, we also have several small meeting rooms for everyone to use.
We've created a cozy and warm space for DECNO family to relax and recharge. A cup of tea, a moment of unwind. This is where inspiration and energy get a boost. In the end, let's go back to where it all began. DECNO is not just leading the world in new building materials, but also committed to social responsibility, engaging in public welfare, and spreading warmth and care. This is DECNO, a high-quality, professional, and widely trusted manufacturer of flooring and wall panels.